Hey peeps, so I thought I'd share with you what I'm up to today. I am helping one of my contracted clients transition from their old office to their new office. They've pretty much already moved in, but we're kind of doing a transition clean from their old office. There's quite a bit of mess in the kitchen area, so I'll show you what's going on. The floor is pretty grubby. This is where all the old kitchen units were. So I'm going to use my trusted deck scrubbing brush and my Karcher scrubber dryer. I absolutely love that machine. It's fantastic for smaller spaces. It's probably not ideal for large areas, but for a small space like this, it's absolutely ideal. I'm going to make light work of that floor. The deck scrubbing brush and my floor cleaner is going to do most of the work, and then obviously the scrubber dryer will do the rest. So I will show you the results in a few moments. So I've just scrubbed the floor with the deck scrubbing brush, giving it a good pre-scrub and pre-soak before I put the scrubber dryer on. But yeah, it's already looking miles better, that floor. So yeah, now let's have a look at the results after the scrubber dryer. And here is the after. So you can see how much better it is in here from the beginning. So much better. And all that's left on the floor now is the imprint from the old cupboards, but that is clean. I have scrubbed that floor to within an inch of its life. Yeah, very happy with that. And in this corner, I also scrubbed the wall because there was a bit of muck on there. You know, I always like to leave a really great finish. So even though I was just here to clean the floor, I think it's important to leave the absolute best finish that you can. I've cleaned the pipes down as well and the skirting board. But yeah, it looks a million times better in here.